Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yoga for Fertility. Let's begin. For this episode, you need a pillow. Just keep your pillows handy. Ready? So sit down in Adha Padmasana, nice and tall. Put your palms around your belly, gently, nicely, and let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Deep inhale. And deep exhale. Start cultivating your Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale deep. Exhale deep and long. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, soften your chest, shoulders. And now, next exhale, press arms down. And now, let's change your feet. Now, so keep your hands, palms around your knees and circle your chest. Slowly try to draw a big circle. Make sure to breathe. In about 5 times, let's reverse circle. And gently try to bring blood flow around this area. So make it slow and smooth. And very good. Okay, now straighten one knee. Keep other knee bent. Take Jani Sasana. And inhale. And exhale, upper body down, hinge on your hips. Just place your palm somewhere comfortable. Inhale and exhale, soften your knees, soften your chest, soften your shoulders. Just settling into this pose. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. From here, bring your leg to the side. Keep knee bending, one knee bending. And from here, wrap around your head with your arms and tilt your neck to the straight knee direction and hold other hand around the stomach. And inhale, exhale, start tilting, bending your upper body to the side. Keep your sitting bone, tailbone down. Make sure to keep your chest open. And breathe, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale, halfway, exhale all the way back to straight center. Okay, now let's switch your legs. Take Janusara Shasana. Inhale and exhale, walk your hands, fold, bend forward. And keep your palms somewhere comfortable. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, soften your chest, soften your shoulders. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. And bring straighten leg to the side. And wrap around your head with your hands. And hold other hand around your belly. Inhale, exhale, tilt your upper body to the side. And keep your chest open, shoulder blades together. Sitting bone down. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way back to center. Now let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay, palms down. Open your feet about your hip distance. Drift gaze between your legs. And from here, inhale. Lift up your heels on your toes and bend your knee. Knee bring close to your belly and chest. And in this a little bit compressed and pose, hold 5 breaths. Inhale through the nose. Try to keep your tailbone high up toward the sky. Exhale through the nose. Always walking on Ujjayi Pranayama, Ujjayi breath. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, soft. Inhale. Get a lot of air, oxygen. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Now slowly bring your heels down. And a little bit walk your feet. Pedal your feet. Good. Okay, now let's take Balasana child pose. And now let's grab pillow. And place it above your thighs. And inhale, just I'm gonna hug as if you're hugging your pillow. And take Balasana child pose. And your arms, it's, if you feel like today you wanna bend and hug your elbows like this, you can, and bow to your own arms. Now slowly bring your upper body up. Okay, now let's lay down on your back. And insert your pillow underneath your hips. And from already your hip kind of lifting up, so we're gonna do, actually stay there. And keep your knee about your hip distance. Your feet parallel to the other. And palms down. Relax your arms. And relax your neck. Just lifting up your hips naturally by using the pillow. And it's kind of cultivating the blood flow. And inhale deep. Exhale, open mouth, thigh out. And let it go, relax. This sequence is designed to improve your fertility. You can do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!